Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2010 Suzuki Swift, stock number 6243. This ran from the 9th 2004 to the 2nd 2011. It has an M15A 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is the M15A 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door 1 dent. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front guard no dents. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.